ramp up production of new sources of renewable homegrown energy. So today we're announcing the expansion of offshore oil and gas exploration, but in ways...
Offshore drilling is the process of obtaining oil and reserve gases through drilling holes underneath the ocean of the continental shelf, including but not limited to lakes and inland seas. It uses floating and fixed platforms to extract oil and other natural gases. Some of the big offshore companies and their headquarters location include, but not limited to, Transocean, located in Houston, Texas, Valaris PL, located in London, United Kingdom, and Schlumberger, located in London, United Kingdom. Together, these three companies alone made about $8 billion in revenue alone, 2020 through 2021. There are many effects offshore drilling causes from the starting point to the ending point. To start off, in the year 2020 through 2021 alone, there was a total of 65 fatalities and 274 injuries reported. There was about 6 oil spills since the beginning of 2020, 5 of those 6 just a little under 700 metric tons, and 1 being over. 7 metric tons of oil is equivalent to 14.5 Olympic swimming pools. Or if you want to compare it to a household pool, it would be about 66.6 average household pools. That is how much one of the oil spills measured under 700 metric tons. Therefore, with this being said, it does affect the ocean itself and pollutes it as much as possible. Now, the ones affected by all of this the most are the animals. About 25,000 animals die from offshore drilling yearly due to oil spills, including whales, birds, sea turtles, fish, dolphins, sharks, and the list goes on and on.
Solutions and other alternatives to offshore drilling. Offshore drilling is expensive and dangerous. Raising fuel economy standards and having more hybrid electric vehicles, we can reduce carbon emissions and the consumption of petroleum in the billions. And solar power is reliable, clean, renewable energy. More Americans work from home, we can make a difference and save our earth from oil drilling. Ocean and marine wildlife caused by offshore oil drilling could be avoided. We must speak up and demand a ban on offshore oil drilling. It is time to end our addiction to oil. Our ecosystem and marine wildlife are dying. The Gulf of Mexico is an example of the harm caused by our oil addiction. Exploring clean, renewable energy. The consequences of offshore oil drilling are far too great to continue. The exploration of new reserves is extremely harmful and will destroy our ecosystem slowly and painfully. With new advances in technology, it is time to continue research into clean, renewable energy. It's time we say no to oil and save our planet from more destruction.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have